Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about RMD files, and here you can see I have created this RMD files before, and the first one between these dashes, these are the title, author and date, so it will appear at the top part of my document. So after that here we have dashes here, 2 dashes here and also 2 dashes here, and these indicate that this one is the title. So here I just need this, and here you can see this R markdown and including plots. These two are the titles here. So here I want to bring changes here, and I just add a few more hashtags. For example, I just add 3 more hashtags. So the more the hashtags, the smaller the title will become. So I just need this. So here you can see we have this title or markdown. It's way smaller than this title because here we add more hashtags. The more hashtags, the less or the smaller the title. And after that, here we have this link. So I want to replace it with just a text. So I just come here, and here I just put square bracket and type here link, and remove this, put bracket, and here also a bracket. So now I need this. As you can see here, now instead of that link I have this click here. So when I click here, it will do the same as that link. So another thing here, we notice here we have this bold, and here we can see, you can see here if a text or anything comes between 4 asterisks, so it will be bold. So if it comes between 2 asterisks, so it will be italic. So I just want to remove one of these asterisks from 2 sides, and here I want to add 2 asterisks here. And just run this. That's it. You can see here the first, the need is italic now, and these are now bold. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.